Identity erosion is when someone loses parts of themselves or hides parts of themselves in order to keep a relationship or avoid a conflict. The psychology is dangerous over here because the manipulator is not trying to control what you do, they're trying to control how you see yourself. They're trying to control your self image because if they can successfully do that, they can also determine what you accept, what you will tolerate, and what you think you deserve. They're exploiting your need to love, to belong, and to be a good partner. So, what does this look like? It is not overt in nature. Overt abuse is something you can see, it would be a direct insult or a direct harm. Covert abuse is very subtle in nature, very invisible in nature. In psychology, it is described as death by 1,000 cuts. So it will happen via small dismissals, small minimization of your needs, small criticisms. It may happen in their expressions and not in their words. Why it is the most dangerous form of abuse is because sometimes it is so invisible that you may blame yourself for it. You may think that your condition is a result of your own actions and you may not even blame them for it. That is why this is the most dangerous form of abuse. So, what do you do when this is happening to you? Remember who you were before you entered the relationship and who you are now. Just by looking at the difference, you might be able to identify which parts of yourself you have suppressed. Second powerful test is to ask yourself this question: am I being expansive in this relationship? Am I being more of myself in this relationship? Or am I shrinking in this relationship? Am I being less of myself in this relationship? Remember that control is not always about getting you to do what they want. Sometimes abuse, sometimes control is about getting you to forget what you want.